Here we go with the DJi Mavic Mini, the original Mini, sub 250 drone, the original Mavic Mini. I had the new controller and we've only charged this up once. See the controller lights there, 3 of them? Okay, so it's about half full, which is great. And we're just seeing how many flights we get. This is about the 4th or 5th flight I've had with this on one charge. So it's really good for the battery, so I'm happy. Let's get it up. We got 2.7K, great. Everything is on auto. I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to go up, have a look at some colors, and bring it back down. Quick and easy flight. Let's get to it. Here we go. Up, hold, and up it goes. Boom. And we're going to check that stability. That the puppy's coming over. And I'd have to say it's as stable as a Hubsan. That's a pretty bad statement, isn't it? Yeah, so let's start that video. And up we go. No fooling around here. And this is one of my favorite drones. It really is one of my favorite drones. There's the blue sky, and this is a 1/2.3 camera. Okay, look at those colors. Okay, 1/2.3. That's natural looking, okay? Let's get up. Might be a little bit of wind, but we're gonna see what happens. It does not like wind, I know that. So we're up to 32. We'll go up to 45, and that will be high enough, I think. There we go. A little to the left. Strong winds, yeah. See those colors? That's about what the coloring is like. We can come down a little bit. Okay. But there we go. We're going at 6 meters per second. The coloring is really good, and you can tell the way the clouds are moving, etc., etc. We're just going to go around this lake and come back. Okay, and that's all I want to do. No ifs, ands, or buts. The coloring is pretty well perfect on this, and it's one of the only mini drones that has a 1/2.3 camera. It's beeping because we're in strong wind territory, and we want to come back. Here we go. And if I hit this little thing on the bottom, that's where we are. And let's just come on back. Here we are. And let's hit this thing on the bottom again. There we go. That's the one I wanted. And I can come, and I should be heading straight for home right there. As it comes overhead. There it is. It's fighting the wind. Bring it down. See that color? Just see the colors. I'm going to come this way a bit. We're in the backyard, but look at those colors. They're absolutely stunning. And that's what you want to see when you see the other drones, okay? You've seen, oh, and there's a plane way up there, probably 25, 30,000 feet. But you've seen the colors on all the other drones, and there's no comparison. Let's bring this down and have a look at the shed here. And I'm still beeping on 3 lights here on the controller. It's coming down. There we go. Let's look at those trees. Up we go. Look at that, eh? I mean, they're gorgeous. They're absolutely stunning. Okay, up. You know, they're stunning. These trees are stunning. They're absolutely stunning. And the blue sky. Can we look, come down? Get some better shots up here. Okay, so that's about as high as it goes, but if I come down, it's about 3 meters off the ground now. It says 6, but oh yeah, it's more. The dog saw some people on bicycles on the highway there. Isn't this just gorgeous? It's just beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Yep. Okay, that's all I want to show you. I got a little wrap up of the bench there, and that'll be it. Bring it down and stop it. Okay, so how was that? The Mavic Mini, the original Mini. Look at that. That's a screenshot at the end there. It's absolutely amazing, and it's only a 1/2.3 camera. Didn't touch anything, let it fly, take a picture, comes back. It's awesome, absolutely awesome. Doesn't have all the features, but it just keeps on giving. It's a great, super little drone. Compare that to the Mini 3. I just find the Mini 3 awkward. Just an awkward creature. This one, it's always there, okay? So, till next time, hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. If you're so inclined, buy me a coffee, okay? The weather's great, get out there and do some flying. See you in the next one. Bye now.